Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me is Sony Xperia 5 Mark V, and now I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. So, if you wanna have your device always in good condition, first rule you need to remember is to never fill up internal storage over the 70% full. I suggest you, if you have filled up, I suggest you to release space on your device. So it's a very good idea. Click free up space, and Google Files application will ask you about big files, and then just remove all the applications, move your photos and videos to the cloud storage or to physical hard drive, and cool. Then next step is to remove junk files from your device, because applications on Android system leaving behind a lot of junk files, and we need from time to time remove these junk files from our device. You just need to open Files application and click Clean. Click Clear. That's cool. Junk files cleaned. Great. So that's it. And the last aspect is just from time to time release the RAM, because all operations are running at the moment, or apps are running at the moment, they are running in RAM. All processor is doing in the RAM, in temporary memory. So I suggest you to clean RAM from time to time. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.